Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. This video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you, how to use Mansculpt Wave Therapy Pro device. Now you might be wondering, what is Mansculpt Wave Therapy here that you may be hearing or seeing online? So, Mansculpt Wave Therapy Plus is a rechargeable at-home men's wellness device designed around a short routine for what the company describes as firmer, more reliable men's performance. Now, better staying power and greater confidence during intimate situations. Now, the website here describes it as drug free. It says it uses an external treatment head with 10 adjustable modes, and these are manufacturer claims. And Manscaped says individual results may vary. So, do take that note. Now, how do you exactly use this device here? Now, this is directly from their website. So, according to them, using the actual product is quite simple. The routine is actually designed to take about around like 10 minutes here. And first, you need to fully charge the device and apply a thin layer of the included water-based lubricant. Now, from then on, you want to then get comfortable and start the device to its lowest of the 10 adjustable modes. Now, from then on during the session, you just want to follow the supply directions and make smooth overlapping passes with the treatment head for approximately around 10 minutes. Now, the company specifically says to follow the placement instructions supplied with device rather than improvising placement based on other products. So you may need to read the instructions included with the actual device here. Now, in this case, when you're finished, you just need to wipe the device clean, allow it to dry, and store it. Now, it's USB rechargeable, so you can recharge it between sessions rather than using disposable batteries. Now, the package here is currently includes the wave therapy itself, plus a device and water-based lubricant, and also its USB charging cable and product routine guide as well. So the website lists the product at around $59.95, reduced from the original $119.95 as of this moment. So if you want to buy it right now, and advertises a 100-day money back or return policy and discreet packaging. So, in simple terms here, Mansculpt Wave Therapy Plus is a rechargeable external device used with water-based lubricant for approximately around 10 minutes here, and from then on, it helps with what we call men's performance or men's health. But yeah, so the manufacturer says to stop if anything hurts and to check with your doctor before use if you have any medical condition. Now, they do specifically mention that in their FAQ section in their webpage here. Now, since the device is marketed for men's performance or bedroom performance here, consulting a qualified healthcare professional is also recommended if you have new, painful, severe, or worsening changes in your performance, and doing your own research into the device and its instructions before use is also recommended. And maybe reading reviews inside and outside the website is also recommended. Now, this applies for anything that you're buying online, but that's about it. So if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.